Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new, please subscribe to my channel, maybe after watching this video, or midway, whatever you want. If you enjoy this video, you can give it a thumbs up and maybe do a little comment in the comment box. You can answer some of these questions. So I thought it would be good. This is gonna be the first video to go up, but I figured it would be a good one to go up, rather soon, just because you guys don't know me. You guys know nothing about me besides, hey, she cleans and she wears a crazy shirt that she probably should have not worn when she cleans. So here I am. So I have a whole list of questions right here. So I'm gonna just kind of go through them. I wrote some of them, I grabbed some of them are ones I've gotten before from other people. So we're just gonna kind of fly through these. All right, so I guess my name's Krista. I guess I didn't say that. Okay, so hi, I'm Krista. How old am I? I am 31 years old. If I lived in Ohio my whole life, yes, I have lived in Ohio my whole life. I would love to move to another state, maybe like the Carolinas, but I have lived here my whole life. How many kids do my husband and I have? We have one kid. So he is 2.5 and his name is Wyatt. So that got some of those. When did we get married? We got married in May 5th, 2015. So Cinco de Mayo in 2015. We actually got married on the Outer Banks in Hatteras Island. So it was a Tuesday wedding because they just really don't have weekend, well, they do have weekend weddings, but a lot of the houses in condos switch on the weekends. So we got married on a Tuesday. Let's see, favorite Starbucks drink. So right now, and it's been this for about the past 2 years, I think, ever since they came out with it, I usually get the grande iced coconut milk mocha macchiato. So they've had different variations. They did a hazelnut one, they've done an almond milk one, but just the classic, the first one they ever came out with, the grande iced coconut milk mocha macchiato. That's one of my faves. Before that, it was the Java chip frappuccino. And if anyone really remembers, then I love that brownie frappuccino that they had. That one was amazing. That's what actually got me started on Starbucks, was that brownie frappuccino. Favorite meal. So there is a kebab, a marinade recipe for steak kebabs that is delicious. It's my aunt's and I love it, and that is probably my favorite meal. I request that every birthday. Any cats? Yes. We have 2 inside who are running around this room right now. So Toffee and Ducky. We also have a dog. His name's Bentley. He's a border collie. So what do I do for a living? So I am, besides making YouTube videos now, I am a wedding photographer, wedding and engagement photographer. So let's see, what else do we have? Why did you start YouTube? Okay, so I started YouTube because I've probably been thinking about it for literally a year, and I did a couple other videos on a different channel, and I was just no, don't like it. It was a different name and stuff, and I was no, I need to do stuff under my name. This is everything in my entire life has been under my name and my maiden name. So I'm it all just needs to be me. So I deleted those, got rid of that channel. So now this is kind of it. I literally had 3 videos. So don't be oh, what's this other channel? No, I literally had 3 videos and they weren't that exciting. So I've been thinking about this for a long time, and I just figured that now, why not? So, okay, are you naturally blonde? Yes. Okay, so I was totally blonde, had white hair like our son. You'll see him in, videos, I'm sure. And it was always super blonde white. If I go out in the summertime, it gets bleached out, but wintertime, these dark roots start coming in. So I do usually fix the roots a little bit in the wintertime, but this just kind of gets bleached out. So I roll with it. Okay, let's see. I'm also paying attention to the monitor right now because Wyatt's gonna wake up really soon. So, okay. I actually wrote down a lot of questions. I don't know if I'm gonna do all these. All right, favorite animal, that'd be a dolphin. Where did I go to college? I went to The Ohio State University, which, if you live in Ohio, half the population has gone to Ohio State University. What is your favorite Disney ride? Okay, so this is at Disney World. This is the Speedway. We've never been to Disneyland, so I can't talk about Disneyland, but Disney World Resort down in Florida, the Speedway, which I think they actually closed or are closing this January or something, or November, I don't even know. That's my favorite ride. I'm gonna be so sad. Can you cook? Yes, I can. Sometimes good. Most of the time good. I'd say I'm a pretty decent cook. Do we want any more children? Yes, we want more children. Probably one more. I think if I say 2 more, my husband might kill me. And you know, I'm 31. Not saying that, you know, people in their late 30s and 40s can't have kids, but I'm 31. I personally don't really want to be having kids, like a newborn, when I'm like 38. That's just not, I don't think that's something I really want to do. So probably definitely one more kid. We'll see if I get pregnant with twins. That'd be, yeah. I think I'd be like scared. I have a lot of friends. I have so many friends right now that are pregnant with spontaneous twins and triplets. And I'm just like, oh my gosh. But they're all in their like 30s. So the doctors just keep telling them like, oh, it's because all your eggs like jump ship. So we just want one more. But, you know, whatever happens. Okay, what type of cell phone do you have? So I have I have a loopy case. But I have the Samsung Galaxy S7, so it's a couple years old. Favorite cleaning product. So I kind of went over this. No, see, this is messing with my brain, because I just literally filmed like an intro video to my cleaning video, and I was like, I need to film this too. So I keep thinking oh, that stuff is in this video. No, it's really not. Okay. So my favorite cleaning products are Mrs. Meyer's. I love those. I grew up on Pledge and Windex, and I do still use those just because we have a ton of wood in the house, but I do like the Method wood cleaner. I've really enjoyed using that. The Caldray stuff, I love that. There's like a balsam birch something, like it's a winter Christmas scent. I'm so excited. It's coming in my next box from Grove Collaborative, and I like literally cannot wait to get that, because I just can't wait to smell it. I'm sure it's gonna smell amazing. But Caldray, Mrs. Meyer's, I'm looking down because that's where it is right now. It's literally sitting by my feet. I like the Bluebell. I like all that stuff. Anything that smells good. Okay. Favorite dry shampoo. So I like the Dry Shampoo. I've tried so many dry shampoos. It's ridiculous. That stuff is amazing. I don't have a bottle. I don't have a bottle anywhere that's like here that I can easily like grab. But I love that stuff. Oh my gosh. I've tried so many. What is it? Not Your Mama's. That's probably the best like drugstore version of dry shampoo. Then I tried like a BB something or other. That was okay. It kind of was like messy. It kind of got everywhere. I've heard a lot about Batiste, I think it's called. I don't know. I'll have to try that one and see. Because Dry Bar, it is kind of expensive. Like, you know, it's up there. Especially if you're like someone that uses it several times a week, then it definitely could get expensive. Okay. Favorite eyeshadow. So I have the Naked, Urban Decay Naked things, eyeshadow palettes. I have like the original Naked, 2 and 3. That's pretty much all my eyeshadows are right there. Okay, so what else do we have? Do you like to garden? This is always a fun question with my husband and I, because I like the flowers. I like to buy flowers. I like to see the flowers, but I don't like to weed. And I do like to plant the flowers up to like a certain point. When we're on like the 3rd tray of annuals, I'm like about ready to kill someone. So I like gardening to a point. I just like buying flowers. Let's just put that out there. I just like buying flowers. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. Some of them are kind of weird. So hopefully this gave you a good idea of who I am, my personality, what I like, what I don't like. If you want I can't talk. If you want me to answer more questions, put them in the comments, and I'll happy to do another video at some point, another FAQ, and answer those. But I figured this was a good way for you guys to kind of get to know me, and hopefully you enjoyed it. So I look forward to talking with you more. So you can subscribe and you can like and comment, and I'll definitely respond back. So have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.